What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Music Education for All. And today I'm doing a little follow-up video. This is my super balanced action alto saxophone that I got in 1992. And I just had it rebuilt for the first time ever. And so I'm pretty stoked. Yeah! So I thought I'd just kind of show you the work a little bit. It was done over at Wally's Music in Oregon City, and I've been going there since about 1986. It's a great store, and especially for saxophones, so I highly recommend it. They do most of their sales in store and not online. So just to kind of look in here, look at the work a little bit. Yeah, all new pads. Just looking really nice. And I just wanted to point out a couple little things. The little thumb patch there, because it's kind of wearing through the metal a little bit, and so Nick put that on there for me. Really just fantastic work. See if I can show you the pads on the left hand. Yeah, there we go. You can kind of see in there a little bit. And play tested it a couple of times yesterday, and drove back from Portland last night. I had to honk on this thing a little bit. I just walked up here and the sun was on the horn. It's just glowing. I'm like, oh, time to get to the honking. You know, start practicing. So, geez, exciting stuff. And I love this horn. It may not be like the prettiest thing. It is a relacker from probably like the late 60s or so. But it still sounds great, and it's in as good a shape as I've ever had it in this minute. So it's exciting stuff. Anyway, thanks for checking it out, folks. I will catch you soon. Cheers.